Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do plus 7's formula. Where am I going to apply plus 7's formula? Where I will not have enough beats to add 7. So let us start with the B row. A row is your homework, okay? Where am I going to apply plus 7's formula? Where I will not have enough beats to add 7. I will apply its formula and move on with the question, okay? Let us start with the B row. First question, 1 plus 2 plus 7. This is what I was talking about. Do I have enough beats to add 7 now? No, right? I don't have any beats. So, formula of 7 plus 10 minus 3. We'll move on with the question now. The next one says after 7, 1. My answer is 11. Next question. Plus 2 plus 2 again plus 5 plus 7. Can you see any beats to add 7? No. So, formula of 7 plus 10 minus 3. That's it. My answer is 16. Just apply the formula and move on. When you apply the formula, that means 7 is done. How, ma'am? Because see, what is the formula? 10 minus 3, what we are doing? Whenever we can't do 7, we are doing 10 minus 3. So 10 minus 3 is what exactly? It's 7 only. We are not able to add 7 directly, so we are adding it indirectly. Okay, third question now. 3, 7. No beats to add 7. I'll apply the formula. Plus 10 minus 3. Then after 7 it's 2. Then plus 3. Do I have beats to do 3 now? No. So formula of 3 is plus 5 minus 2. We are doing small friends, okay? When small friends can be done, we will do small friends only. There are small friends for only 1, 2, 3 and 4. After 4, there are all big friends, okay? 1, 2, 3 and 4 numbers have both small friends and big friends, right? 5 to 9, they don't have any small friends, they just have big friends. Okay, next, fourth question. 4 plus 7. Do I have enough beats to do 7? No. Let's apply the formula of 7 plus 10 minus 3, then plus 4. Can I do 4? No. What is the formula of 4, small friends? Plus 5 minus 1, then minus 1. I can't do minus 1 also now. It's given in the question. So what will I do now? Formula of minus 1, minus 5 plus 4. My answer is 14. Next, 4 plus 7. Do I have enough beats to do 7? No. So my formula for 7 is plus 10 minus 3. Plus 5, after 7 it's 5, then minus 3. Can I do minus 3? No. So my formula for minus 3 is minus 5 plus 2. Plus 2. My answer is 13. Okay guys, I hope it was clear. Complete the first row in homework. Okay. And let me know the answers in the comments. I'll see you in the next class now. Bye bye.